¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? Mañana yo voy a hacer aseo, cocinar y trabajar como todos los días. Hi everyone, welcome to your Spanish lesson. This is Maria and today I'm going to teach you how to make plans in Spanish. ¿Cómo hacer planes? This lesson is super useful because you don't even need to know the future tense properly to use this. We're only using the verb ir, to go. To say what we're going to do in Spanish, we use the verb ir, which means to go. This is a very special verb. It's an irregular verb, so it doesn't follow the usual grammar rules for its conjugation. It completely changes when conjugating it with different pronouns and different tenses. So basically, you guys will have to memorize every use of it. So in this lesson, we will be working with a present tense form, which goes like this. Yo voy. Tú vas. Él, ella o usted va. Nosotros o nosotras vamos. Vosotros, vosotras vais. Ellos, ellas, ustedes van. We use this form of the verb ir to express we're going to do something in the near future. And the other verbs in the sentences stay in the infinitive form. Let's see some examples. Yo voy a comer en un restaurante mañana. Voy a comer en un restaurante mañana. I'm going to eat at a restaurant tomorrow. See that I'm using the verb ir, voy, in the present tense. And comer, the second verb in the sentence, stays in its infinitive form. ¿Vas a nadar el domingo? ¿Vas a nadar el domingo? Are you going swimming on Sunday? Ella va a trotar a las 6:30 a.m. Ella va a trotar a las 6:30 a.m. She's going jogging at 6:30 a.m. Nosotras vamos a viajar a Perú el próximo año. Nosotras vamos a viajar a Perú el próximo año. We're going to travel to Peru next year. Vosotros vais a jugar fútbol en la tarde, ¿cierto? Vais a jugar fútbol en la tarde, ¿cierto? You're playing football this afternoon, right? Ellas van a cantar en el evento. Ellas van a cantar en el evento. They're going to sing at the event. The personal pronouns are between brackets because you do not have to say them. You don't have to tell them for the sentence to make sense. Just using the conjugated verb leaves the pronoun implicit. Though it does help emphasizing if you do not have enough context to know who we're talking about. You can also let people know at what time exactly you or other people are doing activities as we saw in the previous examples. Or add time expressions like mañana or el fin de semana. There are also some questions that may come handy in this situation. Sometimes it's you who want to ask for somebody's plan. So let's see how you can find out. ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy? ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy? What are you doing today? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? What are you doing tomorrow? ¿Qué vas a hacer el fin de semana? ¿Qué vas a hacer el fin de semana? What are you doing this weekend? And you can use this question with any day of the week, right? ¿Qué vas a hacer el lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo? Another question you can use is ¿tienes planes para? ¿Tienes planes para? Do you have any plans for? And here you can say hoy, mañana, el fin de semana, cualquier día de la semana. Let's see some more examples. María, ¿tienes planes para el sábado? María, ¿tienes planes para el sábado? María, do you have any plans for Saturday? Sí, voy a cine con unos amigos. ¿Y tú? Sí, voy al cine con unos amigos. ¿Y tú? Yes, I'm going to the movies with a couple of friends. And you? Oye, ¿qué vas a hacer hoy? Oye, ¿qué vas a hacer hoy? Hey, what are you doing today? No mucho. Me quedaré en casa viendo Netflix. Not much. I'll stay home watching Netflix. ¿Qué planes tienes para el viernes? ¿Qué planes tienes para el viernes? What plans do you have for Friday? Voy a la playa. ¿Quieres ir? Voy a la playa. ¿Quieres ir? I'm going to the beach. Do you want to come? Dale. Dale. Okay. Okay, so let's do a little recap for this topic to be absolutely clear. We use the verb ir to talk about plans in the near future. Ir is an irregular verb. For making plans, we use the present tense conjugation for the verb ir. The other verbs in the sentence stay in its infinitive form. You can say the exact time you're doing your plans. You can also use time expressions. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Now go out there and tell everybody your plans so you can practice as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your love and support. Do not forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so, as well as pronto.